Sabaidi!
Today we are in Luang Prabang and we are going to
Spend some time with the elephants.
Yeah, we are actually still in Luang Prabang after 2 weeks. We arrived and we're told about the festival, so we waited to capture the festival, and that all finished last night. And it was an incredible festival, but we're going to make a video just about that, and that will be released soon.
Yeah.
But at the festival, we met a guy who has his own elephant sanctuary, Mandalao, and it's super ethical. The elephants are not chained, you can't ride the elephants. It's what we love about elephant camps. And he invited us to come and spend a day with them and create some content there, so well, it's beautiful. Luang Prabang is such a beautiful place. They're just hoovering before the visitors come. Get the place all clean. Hey, Michael? Sabaidi, good morning.
Sabaidi!
Okay, and you go love. What's this? You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're here. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's all about you. It's all about you.
Actually, yesterday we were out on the street. We were out on the street, and then he came to us. We had some cuddles, and this way we met Michael.
Yeah.
We met Michael.
He's our ambassador. He's working hard.
Yeah.
He makes more salary than I do.
So yeah, Michael is the, how do you say it, the founder of Mandalao.
Yes, correct.
So, yeah. So yeah, brought a new adventure.
Yep.
Our way.
Yep. Thank you, Barry.
Does he love the elephants?
No.
No.
Well, the elephant. Yeah, he doesn't even like really acknowledge they're there. I've brought him over a few times, but the elephants, they don't like dogs.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
whatever the saying is, like they're scared of like mice and like small animals. It's because of like snakes and scorpions and stuff like bite their feet, so it's actually true. So anything that's smaller than an elephant, they don't like.
Okay.
Pretty much everything.
We have everything we need.
Yes. Tonight we're going to sleep. Tonight we're going to sleep in the tent. Usually people cannot sleep there as it's not a thing yet, but we are gonna sleep there, which is super exciting.
This place is so beautiful and super ethical. So, like Michael was explaining to us, they have a young male who they're raising, and then soon they will reintroduce them back into the wild.
Yep.
And it's all super ethical, and people buy elephants from other camps. So this is something that I had no clue about, but you know, so there are camps that are not so ethical around here, and people who either come from NGOs or wealthy people, they buy an elephant from this camp and they bring it here and donate it to this camp, so that they're able to, you know, make a difference for the elephant wildlife.
Yeah.
The most easy way to keep the elephant is let them do what they want. That's all.
Just be an observer.
Yeah. And then we provide the friendly communication. You want the elephant walk from here to here. This you give them banana. This you give them mango. They go.
They know where the good fits are.
I would go too.
Yeah.
I'm with you.
We're going to have a new elephant coming today.
Today?
Yeah, today. This afternoon. They used to work with us, but in COVID they go back to their family.
Yeah.
But Michael organized to have them a permanent stay here because she have her friend here already.
And we are off. We are gonna cross the river, I think, and then make our way out into the jungle and see if we can see any elephants.
Yeah, so it seems like there are maybe 10 elephants in total, or 9 right now.
And one may be arriving today, but I think there are 2 elephants that we might be going to meet, or possibly 3. But some of the elephants are out right now with another tour, and when we say tour, it's not like a riding tour or anything. It's just a walk through the jungle with the elephants, and there you go, we've got a boat. We're not wading the river.
Yay!
And we're crossing the river.
Just hold like this. You don't hold like this, and then you know how to take it from your hand. Otherwise, you're gonna scrap your hand and put it in their mouth.
They all have names, and this is Mekan, and this is Mesan. Mekan, you know your name? Really nice thing here is that the elephants don't have to do anything. They said the only thing that is important is that they eat,
And they
they sleep, and they poop. So that's it.
So we're just gonna go for a walk, and actually I realised that the stick just ends here, and they can just walk out whenever they want. They're free to just roam.
We go a lot for walks with dogs, but not often with an elephant. Wow, that is a full-on shower.
All the caretakers here for the elephants all go through a probation period of around 3 months just to make sure that everyone's, you know, like everyone treats the animals well, and I think it's a really beautiful thing to go through the whole process to make sure that everything is done in an ethical way, and always in support of just making the elephant's life as beautiful as it can be. So they were telling us the older female elephants wouldn't be prepared to be released back into the wild because they've been in captivity for so long before from other camps, so they take them and they just give them the best life possible while they can, but if they have any young bulls, then they just raise them and get them prepared for going back out into the wild, which is a super beautiful thing.
Yeah. I think he's lazy today.
If I'm honest, it's just like taking a dog for a walk, because they want to stop and smell all the poop, they want to smell every tree, taste everything they can, and yeah, it's a beautiful thing. They, you know, they're just big creatures that just want to exist in this beautiful place.
Did you know that elephants are the only mammals that cannot jump? It's true.
So apparently when they purr, it's like so loud, but apparently that means they're happy.
And he just purred. And also before, with me in the forest, I was like stroking him, and he was.
We are on our way because there is a new arrival, an elephant who was here before, and is coming back after COVID, and she's going to be reunited with the herd slowly, but they're also going to have to let her across the river. So one thing, so the Mahout is an elephant caretaker. They said that it's probably going to be safer for him to ride the elephant across the river, so they don't let any tourists ride the elephants, but if they think that it's the best thing for the elephant for certain situations, sometimes on a rare occasion the Mahout would be able to ride the elephant to help get her across the river, or for things like that.
If it's as we predict, he'll cry.
Yes!
His
So what Sally was saying is that the elephant who's joining today again, they will be reunited. She has a friend in the sanctuary, and they will see each other today again after how long? A year?
2 years.
2 years.
During COVID, when she went home with her owner. Now we own her. We bought her.
Amazing.
Because she's the most angelic, wonderful, sweet old lady.
Oh, I want to
my-
meet her.
Everybody loves Buntem. Yeah.
Bunten.
Buntem. Yep.
Bunten. Can't wait to see her.
Oh,
Also, I want to add that this is one of the most comfortable times we've been in the back of the truck because all of our blankets for sleeping tonight are right here. So
that's funny.
yeah,
Oh my
we are
We should
loving
sleep
this.
in the truck.
Yeah, this could be it.
Oh, you're funny.
Look at that. So good,
That
ready
is
for
so
tonight.
great. That's
Good luck with the mosquitoes, my love.
Oh no, I'll sleep inside.
We're going.
Yeah? We can try.
I sure hope so.
Somebody, Mr. Peng. Are you excited, Michael?
Unbelievably excited. You have no idea.
We should buy an elephant too. Seems like it's around $100,000 to buy an elephant. You want to buy one?
I mean, if anybody wants to help us out, then we could start something.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to see Buntem. She's coming home after about 3 years. And not only is she the sweetest girl, but her forehead is soft as a baby's butt. She's the cutest thing in the world. I cannot wait to see her. It's been way too long. Thanks, sweetheart. These are some friends of mine. Oh, Mac Mong.
Say, my friend, this is not say the food. You say, hello, everybody, your friend here, happy.
You happy?
I never thought it's here again.
I didn't either.
I cannot
Okay, right?
even
And then
begin
we
to
see them, we
express
talk more
how.
from there.
Yes.
Yep.
I want to see
Okay. Okay. Yes, manual and.
You happy?
Yeah.
I'm just so happy. She's a has 36 souls, this elephant.
Right now she's having chains on her, but soon this will be the past.
Yeah, so that's from the last elephant camp, and yeah, they obviously don't have any chains on their elephants here. So once she gets home, she'll be without chains
Yeah.
and she'll be free to go where she wants to go.
Yeah, now the tricky part will be getting her across the river. She's right now crossing the river, and now they're just looking at a trail where she can come up to be reunited with her friends.
And gently flapping the ears is a sign that they're very comfortable.
Yeah?
And her tail's swinging, but her ears aren't really flapping. There it is.
What's the reason you teach him this?
Excuse me. Yeah, just for medical treatment. So looking at his feet, yeah, being able to have our veterinary team come up and give him a full check and take blood samples and yeah, so just safety for the medical team and
That's amazing.
himself.
Yeah. one is a trunk wash. They're teaching him just to check tuberculosis and stuff. So it's really good to do with elephants as they catch very easily tuberculosis.
We're on the boat heading back to the restaurant where we're going to chill out and talk about some possibilities because
we are thinking of maybe staying for another month here in the elephant sanctuary to be able to help them with photo content and just promote and yeah.
Who knows, it's something that we've been calling for, is a little bit of time somewhere, a little bit of space, and this would maybe be the perfect opportunity. So yeah, we're going to look at our options and we're going to take you guys with every adventure. It's every step.
Yeah.
So, the tent didn't work.
It was full of holes.
And when we tried to set it up, one of the tent pegs snapped.
Oh my gosh.
So, we have this amazing setup that we're in right now, and we're going to show you that
I think in one of the next
videos for sure, yeah. But for this video, that is all we have, and yeah, we hope you've enjoyed the journey.
Yeah, and if you like it, please like, subscribe, and all the good stuff.
Yep.
And we hope to see you in one of our next adventures.
For sure. Well, to finish this one, enjoy some elephant ASMR. I see the mouth.
ชื่อเล็กจะปูชื่อเล็ก5เด้อประมาณจากโลนึงก็จะพออยู่บ่บอกกันอย่างน้อยนะประมาณ